What's up, my YouTubers? Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make one new video. It's all about GTA Prison Break Finale. You know those heist jobs. Oh my god, it was so fun, it was so intense, but at the end, something happened. Something bad happened. I don't wanna tell you about it. You gotta check this video out. Yeah. Just check it out. Prison Break, guys.
Let's go!
I'm the fucking bus driver, shit cunt. Okay, I'm prisoner. Oh my god, I am the prisoner. Is that because of my looks, pičku materno, always I'm something bad, man. I'm fucking prisoner all the time. Okay, guys, don't screw this up, guys. Slowly, 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 slowly. Guys, this is finale Prison Break. What the fuck happened? The fuck, man? Christian! What did you do? You told us that you know how to drive.
I paused.
What did you do? Why did you pause it? You're in the middle. You can't pause when you're in the game. Are you serious?
So I aimed it all the way up to the sky.
No!
So
But what were you doing, man? You were jerking between game, man. Shit. You know, look at me. I'm like fucking gypsy. Why do I have to be prisoner, man? Man, because of fucking my color, man. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable.
Even the GTA doesn't like you because you're black.
Don't hit me! Why are you hitting me, Galaxy? Don't do that, man. Oh shit! No! No! I didn't know that I have a gun. Shit! Round up! Look at what happened. Look at gun. Ryszkam.
What? You made it,
No.
man.
Ryszkamovsky, let's go. Ryszkamovsky. Look, he looks like that guy from Breaking Bad. Took that weapon, man.
Yeah, but this is not going to work.
Let's go. They shot you down. No!
Yes.
Fuck you, Christian. Shit!
Too slow.
But this guy is still alive. What the fuck?
Why would you?
I didn't want to do that, man. I wanted to kill that guy. And that guy just aimed at that guy in the front. Pa če aim unga gor, pička mu materna. He aimed at that guy. I didn't want to aim at that guy up. Ma, you would eat the deep shit from with the spoon, man. What you do, man?
Alright, get ready.
Man, there's... I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead, I'm dead. No! He popped me. Shit.
Over.
Just a moment, let's clear the first, man. What the fuck? Who's going down? What the fuck are you doing?
Don't die.
Okay, let's go in. Let's go in.
Hey, I can't control it.
Who died? Mate. Leave the prison with Ryszkowski. We gotta leave the prison.
Idemo.
Let's go. Oh yeah! Go inside. Oh my god, I'm getting the back. Drive, man, drive! Drive, get the fuck away from here. Oh man, I can't shoot. Oh my. How can I close them, man? I can't open, I'm not even... Oh, no.
I have to land this damn thing.
Okay. I don't open the door, I'm just securing them all. I have... Look! I see perfuknal model, man. I'm always closing them and they're opening. Look at them. Look at this shit. Look at this. I'm always... I'm pressing always the button right because doors are always opening. Look at this.
Where's the well?
You got... Oh my god. Don't fucking do that. Don't pass it the code. They're gonna kill me. I can't fucking close the doors. Pa pička ti materna. I can't close the doors, guys. They're killing me, man. We're gonna have to... Just stay, don't move! Don't move! Go, Rashkovsky! Go, Rashkovsky! Drive, Rashkovsky! Drive now! Drive!
Wait, no,
Now don't blow it! Don't blow
What
it!
the heck?
Look at him! Oh my fucking god! What the fuck is wrong with that Rashkovsky, pička mu materina? No! Don't throw the bombs, Lulika!
Ooh.
Move away, Galaxy, from them!
Get
Fuck!
in the well.
I'm killing the cops,
Wait, no,
man!
Dino.
I killed the cops!
Sorry.
I killed the cops! Go! We don't have to go! Oh yes, we do! Wait!
Yes, it says get in
Man,
the well.
wait for us! We gotta go! Shit! Shit! Okay! No! Shit! Shit! We gotta go and develop! Shit! Shit! Hey!
I
Yeah!
gotta land
Land!
again.
Galaxy, get out! Kill the... Kill the policeman! Shit! Yeah, go!
There.
Shit.
Shit. O camión.
No!
Atrás do camión.
Yeah, we're getting there! Get to the plane, shit! Get to the plane! Get to the plane, motherfucker! Go to the plane! Here we're here, stop, don't hit the plane! Shit! Shit! Go Galaxy! Go get... Yeah, I mean, no! Fuck, I died! Shit, wait for me, you have one life! No! No, he died, shit! Where the hell are you?
Where is he?
Go back! I can't go back, guys. There's so many shit, guys. Okay. Yeah.
Dino,
Stop. I can't get it. Drive. No. Dude, you're gonna destroy the plane. Let's. Go up. Go up. Right. You're gonna hit. Right. Yes. Lose the cops now. Shit. That was...
Oh, Dino, you
Oh my god. Don't... Lulika, you gotta protect us, Lulika. If you're gonna lose this shit now. Christian, when you see the fucking chopper, go away from the choppers. Now we can't lose the cops like that, man. Shit. Now it's all about you, man. We made our job. If you're gonna blow it, man, I guarantee I'm gonna ban you from everywhere, man. If you're gonna blow this up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
there's
go up.
there's a
Go
circle.
up.
Oh yeah.
So long, brothers.
Oh, nice.
So long. Now okay. What button to press? Yeah, we're gonna leave them. What's with the... Okay. Oh my... Regroup the beach, guys. We gotta regroup... Don't hit... No! Shit, almost died. I'm gonna land into the water.
Yo, Dino.
Yeah! Just a moment, we gotta do that heist. Wait for the rest of the team to reach this location. We just need one...
What the fuck?
I'm gonna ban you, fuck you. I'm gonna ban you, fuck you, man. Fuck you, Galaxy. You did that in purpose. A pička ti materna, sprfuknen model, no. Pa sprfuknen model, pizda. Pa itak da od začetka kmetno uman. Pa kva si naredil budalo ena sprfuknena? Pa daj jebi se, pizde, no. Pa kva ti je šok, no. Pa daj neki, no, pizda, sprfuknen. Ma kva si, itak da si znalaš naredil, kad sve dodam znoro, pizda. Ma daj jebi se, ma mršu pičku. Ma mršu pičku materno, pizda. Mogu bi sam dol dat, pa kva, pizda. Ma daj puši kurac, kmeteno. Ma daj jebi se, kje bomo zdaj vse naredila, sprfuknen model, pizda. Ma daj kurac spet, pizda. Ma daj zalaž, ma mršu pičku materno. Ma daj je, ma jebi se, ma daj puši kurac. Ma daj prfuknen, mrš. Pa pizda, kje bomo zdaj naredili vse začetka, sprfuknen model, pizda.
You know what? If we need to start
Yeah, all over
I
again,
am
man.
done with this.
All over fucking again. Ma fuck you, Galaxy. Ma jebi se pizda. Ma jebi se pizda. From the beginning, look at this shit, man. Ma fuck you, bitch. Ma fuck you, man. Ma pa u pičku maternu pet pizda. Ma fuck you,
I'm
man.
done,
Ma
I'm
dej
out,
jebi se
I'm
pizda
out.
maternu. Aj, goodbye. Ma
I'm
fuck,
out.
you can't go out, man. You gotta do this shit, man. Ma jebi se Galaxy pizda. What the fuck, man? You... Ma ne zalaš. Ma fuck you, man. How can we do? The hardest thing was to lose those cups, man, on the fucking wheel. Man,
We
but
were
fuck
that
you, man.
Close to.
I'll pičku mater. I was never so angry for the game, man. I was never so fucking angry, man. Never, man.
Me
Me
neither.
neither, man. Me neither. Pizda. Majki mi će biti tukaj, majki me res zebi plesko da bom. Yes, he's just laughing, guys. He did that in purpose. I know he did. Yes, you did.
Pa nisam.
Yes, you did.
Nisam presežen.
Yes, you did.
Dino, presežen.
Fuck, man.
Presežen.
How can we do this shit again, man?
You know what?
Pa no problem.
Yes,
you
yes,
know
now.
what?
We hardly lost those cups, man. We hardly lost those cups.
I am able to...
Man. Yeah, he's laughing,
Sorry,
man.
no.
Just fun for you, man. My whole house is listening to me, man.
Pa za to hej, pitam igraca.
Pa marš u pičku mater. It's not for the game, it's...
Dude,
It's-
check the stream right now, what they
Yeah.
all saying right now.
Fuck the hell. Man, 280 grand, man, is for me, man. You got your share, guys. Already, I didn't get shit. I paid 40 grand for this shit, man. For getting what? Nothing, man. And fucking playing game like 3 hours, man. Oh, merce, give me fucking 300,000, man. Shit.
Yeah, boy!
Brr.
I always land it very early.
You have to land too. Are we all guys? I'm not having any guts to land, guys.
Oh shit, I'm dead.
Yes,
I
you
fall
did.
off the cliff.
Shit.
Gdje pa je stran ti
Oh, I
helikopter?
did not
No,
die.
go, go, go.
I did not
Did you?
die. No,
What did
I
you
did
do?
not. I hit that rock.
What
right
rock,
there.
man? Don't fucking scare me, man. I'm gonna fucking destroy everything.
No, literally, I hit this rock
With-
right there. You
Don't
not
shoot
seen that,
nothing,
right?
man. Don't
And I
shoot
did not
nothing.
die.
We gotta go. We gotta
I
go
did
into
not
buzzer.
die.
Where are you guys? Get in, get in, get in, get in, guys. Get in. Christian, what the fuck? This is not the fucking fashion. How you say fashion? Okay, who's driving? Who's driving? Oh my god, thank you. Oh my, we fucking did it, guys. We fucking did. Look, Dinotti Platinum, guys.
We did it.
Platinum. People, woo! 400,000, guys. Actual take. Finally, guys. Oh my god, got the 280 now. Finally. Oh my god. You see, Galaxy, you didn't deserve that fucking cut, man. Not even 10% you didn't deserve it, man. Shit, guys. So this was the heist, guys. The prison break. The second one. The fucking tough heist. Yeah! Woo! We're celebrating, guys. Complete. Yeah! Huh? How many times did I lost my nerves? Too many times! Why? Because those motherfuckers, they just can't play. They're not serious. But Dino handled it very good, so we come to the end. So guys, this was my video and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe on my YouTube, subscribe on my Twitch, come there, say hi, and I hope you're gonna be next time on my YouTube videos. And this is everything for me, guys. See you later, alligator. Bye.